mile-an-hour gusts at the moment here. The weather has warmed up significantly. We're about 14 degrees C today. So definite big change from, not even 24 hours ago here. But with the warm weather, we have got a lot more changeable weather. So we've got a lot more wind, rain, and that. But if I'm honest, I would much prefer having a little bit windier weather than minus temperatures at the moment here. I can happily look at the garden while it's windy and not be stressing out too much. But when we get down to those kind of -6, -7, -8s or long periods of cold, that's a lot more worrying in my eyes here. But yeah, just quickly, guys, wanted to show you that the wind, it really whips across this garden when we do get it. It depends on the direction. You can see just off the back here, if I lift up, we're pretty open to the elements here. So when the wind does kind of come across here, really big gusts that just kind of rip through the garden. Part of the thing as well, guys, part of why I'm planted a lot of the Trachycarpus fortunei palms is eventually I'd like to have sort of a large canopy around the garden, hopefully help with the microclimate, but also, once again, just provides that little bit of cover when it comes to the winter and, strong winds, things like that. But with that said, guys, just wanted to briefly show you some of the winds. Kind of interesting. You can see we've actually got little almost mini waves on the ponds here. Also been out today, guys, of course, watering in the tree ferns, just making sure that they have had adequate water. Unfortunately, the wind, again, is another factor to think about, as they can dry out a lot quicker in the winds. So again, today's goal was to get out, make sure they're heavily watered through. Again, removed all the straw in the crown, replace that with dry straw, and really just checking on the health of the plants while we get this sort of mild patch here. Now, of course, weather-wise, guys, again, we may get some more cold temperatures. Kind of hard to say at this moment at present, but of course, just keeping an eye on the weather and things like that. But with that said, guys, of course, thank you for watching. Thanks for joining us today. Of course, if you're not subscribed, certainly feel free to do so. And with that said, we'll see you on the next one.